guys, what's up? My name's Nina and I'm going to be showing you how to do your eye makeup with some colors today. It's really simple, easy. I did my first video and then I just wanted to do another one. Basically I'm going to be using purples and blues, and then for a light base, a light gold. Alright, I put foundation on first. Then I'm going to show you how to do this eyeshadow. You want a light color on your lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, just on the lid. Alright, and then I'm going to give it some color on the eyelid, the middle part. Let's see. I'm going to try out this new stuff right here. I like purples and pinks, and then the dark blue for the corners. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pink I have, match my nails. It looks purple. That'll work. Now it doesn't look perfect, but I get to blend it as I apply it. I honestly feel naked without this on every day. It just pops your eyes and gives it a lot of color. Okay, so now I'm going to use just regular eyeliner. I do have a gel one here too. It's really black, which I love. It just glides on. Let's see how that works. Oh, I love this stuff. And it's so defined. I didn't even do my liquid eyeliner, which is next. Now this is for the cat eye effect. I prefer a thicker tip than this, but this is really precise. And I just bring it out the edge, all the way up for the cat-like effect. And don't be too scared to do that because it gives it a lot of exotic look. And I like it thinner in the corners right here, so then you can see the light eyeshadow in the corners. Kind of hard to see right here, but cat eye effect. Oops. Bring it down to the corner. And sometimes you want to make a point. There we go. You can make it thick or thinner, however you like. Everybody's eyes are different shapes, but don't be scared to use the color. Better lighting in here. Alright. So now I'm going to finish with some mascara. Now, if this is too dark, you can blend it, or we can do a light color on the eye bone. So basically basically I just wanted to show you how to mix different colors together fast and it still looks great. This is some new mascara I just tried today. It's alright. See the side views. And that's about it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching.